Okay, this is the day we're gonna start pulling parts off the Brat, or sorry, the GL wagon. But here is the aluminum. That thing's being kind of sketchy. Got all my tools, got me some breakfast sandwiches for myself and Leon. So let's get in the yard. I'm running a little late. Let's get in there and get to work. I'm already out of breath. Transmission's all in there. I'm not sure what's in there. First glance, I don't know. Ooh, cage. Fans. Bell housings. More bell housings. I'm already winded. I'm carrying, that's the thing about junkyards. You gotta bring your own tools. Sometimes he has some tools, but I mean, it's not like you can just like, oh, I need a 10mm wrench. It's like, you just gotta take whatever's in the handout bin or the charity tool bin. So that's why the prices for junkyard parts are on the discount, because you have to go get it. So if you like getting screaming deals in a workout, car restoration and junkyards might be up your alley. I still got a little ways to go. Not as bad as the Mustang one. The Mustangs are downhill and up a hill. The Subaru is more, or the Subaru area is in a more tame area, so it makes it easier to walk around. But I'm so freaking tired. Look at the foliage, it's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and regain my breath. We have made it to the chosen Subaru. Now I need to get the jack. That's all the way back at the car. I need to get my headlamp as well. Then we can start getting underneath the car and try to break free some rusted bolts. So fingers crossed. I'm gonna go make the trek back and then come back with the jack. Yippee! The Chinesium jack stand. That's up. Let's grab the Milwaukee. Yeah, this thing has been awesome. I'm a fan. I'm glad. It was a good $220 for the kit. Here we go. Wow. Is it on there yet? Kinda. There we go. Wow. See, these two bolts last time snapped. Well, actually, all four of them did, so that's amazing. That's really cool. All right. Good news, baby.